Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. I have made some Zaru Soba, which is a cold buckwheat noodle dish, traditionally served cold in summer or winter in Japan. I thought it would be a nice thing to have for a summer recipe. Um, these are 100% buckwheat soba noodles. Be careful if you want 100% buckwheat because a lot of soba noodles are made with wheat too. So I made sure these were 100% buckwheat, which I love. I love buckwheat. And they are boiled and chilled, topped with some strips of roasted seaweed. And the dipping sauce is made out of dashi, which I just made with a couple of sheets of kombu and a quart of water and brought it to a boil and simmered it till it tasted strong and good. Some soy sauce and some mirin. So what you do, you want squarish chopsticks, not rounded ones. And sorry, it's either too much or too little. Okay, now you don't dunk your noodles all the way in the dipping sauce. You just dunk them halfway. Mmm. Mmm. Forgot to mention, dipping sauce is full of sliced green onions, toasted sesame seeds, and some wasabi. I forgot about the wasabi until I got a taste of it. And of course, you'll want to taste it for seasoning in case the soy sauce isn't salty enough. I used low sodium soy sauce in mine. Took me a long time to learn to enjoy Japanese food. I remember the first time I had some, we were in Japan Center for the Cherry Blossom Festival, and we found a Japanese restaurant, and I actually found one vegetarian item. It was like a seaweed soup, and it was awful. I was miserable. But I have developed a taste for the seaweed at long last. I've always liked the soba noodles, but I've really learned to enjoy Japanese food, which makes me very happy because, it's good for you. There's no fat in this at all. And it's very tasty and very refreshing. Try it. So, the recipe will be on my blog and I will link it in the description. I will also link to the previous video. Regular uploads Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Regular community tab posts Monday and Friday. Thank you for visiting my community tab if you do. And thank you for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting. This is so good I can't think straight again. I'm so hungry too. I haven't eaten anything today yet, except for that taste. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later.